Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to meditate for beginners at home in just 5 minutes a day. Meditation has become more and more popular recently, but if you're like most people who want to try it, you might not know where to start. The good news is that there are many different types of meditation and any one of them will be easier to learn than you think. This guide will show you the best ways to meditate for beginners, whether at home or elsewhere, in just 5 minutes a day or less. No matter your schedule or your skill level, we've got you covered with these simple and straightforward methods. Let's get started. Learning how to meditate doesn't need to be difficult or time-consuming. One of the best things about meditation is that you can do it anywhere, so don't need anything more than your own body and mind. The steps below outline how you can get started practicing mindfulness, the process of focusing on your breath, even if you're an absolute beginner. All you need is 5 minutes and space in your home where you won't be disturbed by other people or distractions. If you have kids, pets, or roommates, this may be challenging. Find a spot in your home where they will not bother you. The bathroom works well for some people. Find somewhere comfortable to sit. Some people prefer to use a chair, while others use their bed or floor mats. You can also do this lying down with your legs propped up against something sturdy like the wall if sitting upright isn't possible due to injuries, illness, age, etc. Allow yourself 5 minutes without any interruptions. Cell phones should be put away and the door closed before starting. Beginners may want to start with 2 minutes each day as they adjust their schedule around this new habit before moving up to 3 minutes, then 4, and finally 5. It's always best to start with the basics, so here's how you can quickly and easily set up your meditation space and get started. Step 1. Clear your mind by putting away all distractions, including phones, computers, TVs, books, and magazines. Step 2. Sit down on the floor, preferably using a yoga mat or pillow, or in an armchair with your back supported. Step 3. Close your eyes, stretch out your arms in front of you and breathe deeply for 10 seconds. Step 4. Fold your hands in your lap. Step 5. Place one hand over the other and allow yourself to drift off into nothingness, concentrating only on your breathing as it goes in and out of your body. Step 6. Get up when you're ready to end your session and return to reality slowly. Step 7. When you feel like stopping, just sit up straight and open your eyes. Step 8. Beginners might want to try a shorter period of time, such as 5 minutes. More experienced meditators may find that 20 minutes is better for them. Always be sure to give yourself plenty of time afterward to decompress from the quiet state and resume normal activities. And don't forget, if you have any questions about any part of this process, please ask. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any special requests regarding the content needed, please comment below. Till then, have a great day ahead, and enjoy your life.